Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when your iPhone won't open links. Have you ever tried to touch a hyperlink you're interested in within an email or messages conversation but it will not open? At times, it says that the link can't be opened. Other times, the screen goes white then takes you back to the home after hitting the links to open. It's puzzling when you can't open links on iPhone, especially when you're unsure if the issue is on your side or theirs. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to remedy the situation. Let's begin by exploring the reasons why links won't open on iPhone. Why won't links open on my iPhone? Commonly, hyperlink may not work on a device that has no internet. If the network connection is good, then the app where you open the links may face some issues. For example, random glitches, accumulated cache and cookies, or incorrect settings. Meanwhile, links are not opening on iPhone if it crashes or runs an obsolete operating system. Beyond your iPhone, the issue of URL links not opening may also stem from the website developer. Now check the step-by-step guide of how to fix links not opening on iPhone. They work for all iPhone models including the latest iPhone 17 series. Work your way down until you can get links to open again. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. 1. Check the network connection. When the iPhone can't open links, first look into the internet connection. Ensure your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi network with a strong signal or to cellular data. If necessary, try switching to a different network to test. Also, turn off VPN if it's enabled, as it'll prevent the apps or websites from opening links and loading content. Remember to test if the iPhone can open links after each step to pinpoint the cause. If the issue persists, try the next step. 2. Quit the app then reopen it. If the iPhone won't open hyperlink in apps such as Facebook, Messages, force close the app. To do this, open the app switcher. Swipe left or right to locate the app where you attempt to launch a link. Swipe up the app's card to quit the app. This step can eliminate any temporary issues and refresh the app. After that, run the app again, hit the link there, and see if it opens on your iPhone. 3. Delete browsing data. For those who have trouble opening hyperlinks in a web browser, do you regularly clear your browsing history? Excessive browser cache and browsing history can hinder a web browser's ability to open links. To rule out this possibility, consider deleting your browsing data. We'll take Safari as an example to show you how to do that. Open Settings from your iPhone's home screen. Scroll all the way down to choose Apps, then select Safari. Scroll all the way down to find and hit Clear History and Website Data. Tick All History and hit the Clear History button to confirm. If you finally manage to get links to open on iPhone, make this step a good habit and avoid opening too many tabs at the same time in one browser. 4. Enable JavaScript feature. Nowadays, nearly all web pages utilize JavaScript to provide dynamic content and interactive features. If you keep getting the error message that links cannot be opened on an iPhone, it's likely that the JavaScript is not working. This problem can occur if the JavaScript toggle is disabled in Safari. To check it out, go to Settings. Scroll all the way down to choose Apps, then select Safari. Scroll down to the bottom to tap Advanced. Locate the JavaScript feature and turn it on if the toggle is off. Remember to test by opening the links again. 5. Change the default browser. When you hit the hyperlinks, they will open through Safari by default. If links can't be opened through the default web browser, just change it. Here are the instructions. Open Settings from your iPhone's home screen. Scroll all the way down to choose Apps, then select Safari. Tap the default browser app option. Tick to another browser, be it Chrome, Firefox, or DuckDuckGo. Once done, tap the link again and see if it can open in the new browser. 6. Shut down the phone then turn it on. If you are still unable to open links on an iPhone, try accessing them on another device like a laptop. If they can open normally elsewhere, the issue may lie with your phone. To troubleshoot any glitches that may be causing hyperlinks not to work, the quickest way is to power cycle your phone. Here's how you can proceed. Hold both the volume up key and power key together. For older iPhone models like iPhone 8 or 7, hold the power key only. When invited to a red power off slider, move it to the most right. Your iPhone will be completely off within seconds. To boot it up, hold the power key then release it when the Apple logo comes up. After your iPhone starts up, tap the link again to see if it can open properly now. 7. Update your device. When links in emails in Safari fail to open after update, it may be a common issue with this system version. The solution could be included in the next iOS update. To check for any recent updates, navigate to Settings. Tap General, hit Software Update, then the device will start searching for new updates. If one is available, tap Download and Update and follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Once the iOS is up to date, open a link on your iPhone and it should work now. 8. Contact a website developer. If it's just one link you can't open on your iPhone, the website might be down. To verify, visit Down Detector on a browser and enter the link that's not working. If it says something wrong with the site, reach out to the website developer for further assistance. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix links not opening on iPhone. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting connected back to the link again. If you did, please consider liking and buying this video a super thanks. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more tech-related content. Until next time.